the entrepreneurial excitement. This entrepreneurial excitement is that moment when you decided to start your own home inspection business as an entrepreneur. You thought, why work for someone else when I could do this myself? But here's what happens. Instead of creating an inspection business, most inspectors create a job for themselves. They work harder than ever, with more stress than ever. They're not business owners, they're self-employed technicians. True entrepreneurship means building a business that could work without you. A business that is systems dependent, not inspector dependent, not you dependent. So do this task right now. Ask yourself, if you had to take a month off, could your home inspection business survive? If not, you've created a job for yourself, not a business.